Theta fundamentally token basically is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $3.33 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $325,281,702. Over the kind of past, especially couple of years, digital forms of money, including Theta token, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and basically are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards forks, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers, even for the most part, consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which certainly is very critical. Retail financial backers and brokers generally are somewhat keen on digital currencies, especially, for example, Theta, since this is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources basically have the in every way that really matters potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately exceptionally brief time frame in an unpretentious manner. These profits are genuinely out of reach in kind of different business sectors, which generally is the justification for why most sort of moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Theta token, while the groundbreaking ones fundamentally dedicate a critical piece of their really cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, or so they in every practical sense thought. At this very specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Theta token to the level at $3.33 where it at present sits, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Theta is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 38th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the in every practical sense, metric that not set in stone by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, certainly further appearance how essentially retail financial backers and merchants fundamentally are somewhat keen on cryptographic forms of money, for example, Theta, since this explicitly is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources really have the in every practical sense potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally brief time frame, which especially is genuinely huge. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization for the most part remains at $325,281,702. The significance of this boundary will, in a real sense, be all things considered, made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in sort of such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorses with the most reliable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and certainly conclude whether its sort of requirements to truly be reconfigured, or so they especially thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is really basic for the truly right assessment of both in every practical sense, current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its truly present and future course, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Underneath, you will find key selections of this authentic information with the goal that you also could fundamentally have a comprehension of where the Theta really token market in every practical sense is going, which truly is genuinely huge. Yesterday on Walk 12, Theta for the most part was esteemed at 30.47 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Certainly recall that digital currencies by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change rate-wise over the said period added up to 179%, which generally is genuinely critical. 7 days prior on Walk 6, Theta genuinely token sort of was exchanged at 2.79 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that by and large near its current position, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. On February 13, which fundamentally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $1017111, the cost level that most certainly is at the distance of 226.93% from where it at present stands, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX truly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts an inconspicuous way. Market capitalization is another significant in every practical sense metric that fundamentally assists traders with basically deciding the prevalence of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities in a for the most part enormous manner. It's likewise used to truly survey the offer that Theta truly token holds inside the kind of whole cryptographic money market, exhibiting that certainly retail financial backers and brokers in every practical sense are keen on digital currencies, for example, Theta, since this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources in a real sense have the sort of potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat in every way that really matters brief time frame. The equation for the computation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to is duplicated by its really current cost in a very large manner. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Theta generally remains at $325,281,702, enough to name it the 38th, fundamentally the biggest coin on the digital money market, showing how the equation for the computation of market capitalization really is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to in every practical sense is duplicated by its by and large current cost in a for the most part significant manner. Yesterday, on walk 12, the market capitalization of Theta genuinely token for the most part remained at $3,474,177,379 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on walk 6, the capitalization of Theta basically was $2,787,912,347, or so they certainly thought. A month prior, on February 13, how much in every practical sense, capital streaming around. This kind of specific market truly added up to $1,017,111,293, or so they generally thought. Most digital currency financial backers for the most part stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a very certain cryptographic money and its capacity to fundamentally endure disturbances, which essentially are the in every practical sense normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in a genuinely huge manner. The greatest stock of Theta by and large token truly is 1,000 Theta. The exceptionally complete inventory of Theta as of now in a real sense remains at 1,000 coins, which truly is genuinely huge. The flowing stockpile of the cryptographic money under survey by and large is 1,000 Theta, exhibiting that market capitalization basically is another significant fundamentally metric that especially assists traders with really deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they especially thought. This Theta fundamentally token cost expectation wouldn't in a real sense be genuinely finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by practically all cryptographic money merchants to all things considered affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which basically is very huge. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the in every practical sense low exchanging volume. There, for the most part, is a sort of high likelihood that this move truly is impractical and would bring about a bullish snare, which certainly shows that it's likewise used to in every way that really matters. Survey the offer that Theta essentially token holds inside the exceptionally whole digital currency market, exhibiting that reasonably retail financial backers and merchants most certainly are especially keen on